if I watch you my landing page, you see that here is many landing page image. Basically, this is simply a small landing page for simple work. So I am marketing this landing page through Facebook and many social media sites. And your question, how I make these types of landing page? So just follow my this video step by step. I will guide you that how you can make these types of landing page and you can use your landing page this image. So how you can do it? So this is learn today and I will show you step by step. So if you new in this video, please subscribe, and if you're watching this video from Facebook, please follow. So let's get started. So from 0 to start, we need some image. So we are going to Google and type, if you are promoting any gift card like PayPal, Visa or anything or Cash App, so you just write, just like I'm writing PayPal gift card. So and go to image section and choose the image for your landing page. So just I'm choosing this is good and I already downloaded. So we need a button again. So we need a button just like sign up, claim now, just like this. So I'm typing claim now button. So searching this, and here is many buttons. So you need to just click right button, forget much more sign up. So I'm just choosing any button just like this. So I'm downloading this and we need a logo. So just typing PayPal logo. So we simply download any PayPal logo. So our work is finished. So now we need to go canva.com and we need a blank template to work this text up. So we need just a Facebook post, like Facebook post, anything. So we can use these types of, so or we can use blank. So just go back, home button, you can just edit, just tap on plus button and custom size or edit photo. Okay, choose custom size and you can use like 1082, 1080. Okay, create design. Okay, now we need to upload our downloaded picture. So I'm uploading from my device. So this and this is my download picture. So select, this is very easy. So tap on any one and make it big. So let just your own decision and again tap on here and add button here. This is claim now button. So finish. There is no work and simply we are downloading and download. So our design is finished. Now we need to create a landing page. So go to Google site and tap on blank and delete your title, everything. So type here PayPal gift card and add logo that's you are downloaded before. So add PayPal logo for professional work and select image, upload and upload that's you already edited. So here is your uploaded image. So I think it's good, and there is your landing page, and you need to put the link section your affiliate link, and you need to apply, and you need to just publish it and type here anything like make viral. Okay, and it's published. Now you need to tap on link button and copy it, and you can share it anywhere for getting more traffic, more conversion and more money. So thanks for watching this video. This is a simple video that how you can make simply a